Now that summer is in full swing, it's time to get ready for sun, barbecues, and mosquitoes. After all, these annoying bugs are most active during the warmer months, which can ruin your summer fun. But thanks to this easy-to-make, all-natural mosquito repellent, you can keep the bugs away without using any chemicals. When we say all-natural, we mean lavender essential oil, which naturally keeps mosquitoes away. This natural insect repellent is also made with witch hazel, which is soothing and cools the skin. So, this dye bug spray not only keeps bugs and mosquito bites away, but it also feels great on hot summer days. It really only takes 2 steps to make. So, why don't you try it? Watch this video to the end to find out how to get rid of mosquitoes in a natural way. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Step 1. Funnel the ingredients. Fill the spray bottle carefully with witch hazel water, an astringent made from water mixed with the twigs and bark of the witch hazel plant. Most drugstores, supermarkets, and natural food stores have it in their skincare sections. If you don't want to use witch hazel, you can use distilled water instead. Next, put 30 to 40 drops of essential oil into the bowl. You can use just lavender essential oil, or you can add other essential oils like lemongrass, citronella, cedarwood, geranium, catnip, or rosemary oil to make it even better at keeping mosquitoes away. All of these things are said to keep bugs away naturally. Peppermint oil and lemon eucalyptus essential oil, both of which are known to be energizing and uplifting, work the same way. You can mix and match these oils to make your own spray to keep mosquitoes away. If you want to use fresh lavender instead of lavender essential oil, you'll need to make a lavender tea first. Put the lavender buds in a cup and cover them with boiling water. Give it 20 to 30 minutes to soak. You can use the tea as is or mix it with witch hazel in a 2-to-1 ratio. Tip: once summer is over, you can use this recipe for lavender mosquito repellent as a natural perfume or a room spray to help you relax. You can even turn it into a body spray that moisturizes like a liquid lotion for the winter by adding fraction coconut oil, jojoba oil, or olive oil, which is liquid at room temperature. Step 2. Give it a shake. Put the spray top back on the bottle and shake it to mix the ingredients. You now have a homemade bug spray that doesn't contain DEET or other chemicals. To use your natural mosquito repellent, just spray it on the skin that you want to protect. If you're going to use it on babies or young children, you should talk to your pediatrician first, especially if you don't know how sensitive your child's skin is. Make sure to put it on often, especially after you swim or sweat. You should also use the mixture if you are going to be near ponds or still water, which mosquitoes like to hang out. Just make sure to close your eyes and mouth when you use the spray and don't put it on any wounds that are already open. With this easy-to-make mosquito repellent on your side, it goes without saying that you'll be ready to enjoy your favorite outdoor activities. Tip: when making dye mosquito repellent, remember that essential and carrier oils can cause allergies. Do a patch test before employing a new ingredient on your skin. If you get irritated or allergic, stop using the spray. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching.